Today I'd like to talk about money matters. One of the first things it's interesting to do when you're planning your move and you know you're moving to Spain is to open a bank account. You don't actually need to have an NIE number to open an account in Spain. You can open a non-residence bank account. All this means is you pay slightly higher charges than you will do when you get your residencia here. So basically with a passport, if you go into any reputable branch, have a good bank, then you will be able to open a non-residence bank account. I've personally banked with La Caixa all the time I've been in Spain, and I've never had any issues there opening accounts for people. In some issues though, I have heard of people where they've been unable to open a bank account without being able to prove their income. But as I say, if you've got any problems, just pick up the phone, give me a call. I'll be happy to point you in the right direction. One of the reasons I say it's worth opening a bank account as soon as possible, as we mentioned in a previous video, you now need to be able to prove funds to be able to make your residency application. So many families like to start transferring money over bit by bit, so at the moment that they do move over here and they make their residency application, they've got enough funds in the bank. Talking of transferring money, a very good way of saving money is to use a currency transfer company. There are lots of them around. I work with a couple of them. What they basically do, they guarantee the exchange rate that you get when you're transferring your money, so you know what you're getting. It's very easy just to pop to a cash point, draw some money out, and you don't know what it's actually costing you and what you're paying at the banks. So by using a good currency transfer company, it can save you hundreds of pounds in the long run, particularly when you're looking at buying houses, even just to have enough deposit to pay a rent, and as I say, your residency applications. So do check those out. That's a good currency transfer company. I just want to briefly mention tax issues as well, because a lot of people think that when they move to Spain they have to become a tax resident. The law actually states that if you are more than 183 days in a country, you should be a tax resident there. So depending where you or your partner's working, seek advice from an expert. Find out if you should be making your tax declarations in the UK or in Spain or elsewhere. So really all you should be concerned about when you're first planning your move is get a bank account open, start saving your money, start making sure that you're getting a good rate on your money exchange, and then everything be ready when you move over here to start your new life in Spain. Okay, see you soon.